سلام، من اومدم با کلی انرژی تا شما رو ببرم کنسرت ادل. بچه حدوداً یه رو مونده تا کنسرت شروع بشه. بعد ما گفتیم بیایم اینجا یه سر نوشیدنی تهیه بکنیم چون هوا خیلی گرمه. 32 درجه هستیم. ادل جان، معروف جان، ما الان نوشیدنی گرفتیم، بریم تا بشینیم دیگه. بریم از اینجا داخل. وای بچه ما الان باید بین این جمعیت صندلیمون رو پیدا کنیم. بچه ها هر چقدر پایین صندلی ها رو نگاه میکنم شماره هیچی نمیبینم. باید از یه سکیوریتی بپرسم تا بهمون بگه تا قبل از اینکه کنسرت شروع بشه، چون هر لحظه است که ممکنه ادل ظاهر بشه و کنسرتش رو شروع کنه. بریم چون پیدا کردیم جامونو. خب بچه ها ادل تا یه چند ثانیه دیگه میاد روی صحنه. خیلی هیجان دارم بابتش. 80,000 نفر الان منتظر ورود ادل هستن. بچه ها الان ادل به کمک یک آسانسور از زیر زمین میاد بالا بین جمعیت و شروع میکنه با آواز خوندن. دقیقاً اونجایی که دود هست اونجا الان ادل میاد بالا. ایناهاش. خب بچه ها این جایگاهی که الان ادل هست جایگاه اصلی خودش نیست. الان ادل داره میره به جایگاه اصلی خودش تا شروع بکنه به آواز خوندن. این جایی که الان هستش و داره دست تکون میده در واقع یه جاییه که با تماشاچیاش ارتباط برقرار بکنه، از نزدیک ببینشون، دور نباشه ازشون. به خاطر همین این مسیر رو درست کردن و ادل اینجا یه کوچولو باید پیاده بره تا برسه به اون جایگاه اصلی خودش و شروع بکنه کنسرتو. اتفاقا اینجا حتی تماشاچیان میتونن ادل رو حس بکنن در کنارشون و ادل هم همینطوری میتونه ابراز علاقه تماشاچیان نسبت به خودش رو جواب بده. و چقدر زیبا داره این کار رو انجام میده و این عشق و علاقه‌ای که نسبت به طرفدارای خودش داره رو نشون میده. خیلی خوشم میاد ازش. خب رسید به جایگاه اصلیش.
Have you had a good day? It's been very hot. Are you okay? Are you hydrated? Are you drunk? Good for you. It's Saturday night and the drunker you are, the better I am. So carry on drinking. Please leave whenever you want to go and get a drink. I completely endorse it. Did you have fun at Adele World? Good. There's late night karaoke. I've been sort of recommending that after the show everyone go because my friends go often after the shows. Obviously I don't. That would be crazy of me. But I wish I could though. I'd love to go up there and sing some karaoke. But go and sing some late night karaoke. Keep on drinking and you'll put on a great show and the audience will go crazy for it. Some of the videos I've seen are spectacular. Listen, this is my 8th show. I only have 2 shows left after this. I know. crazy how quickly they've gone. It really, really is. Couple of little disclaimers. I know that there are seats beyond the circle. I know there are chairs, but this is not a seated show. So you can stand whenever you want, you can sit whenever you want, of course. I'd rather you stand so that I can see you a bit more clearly because I am far away. You can, like I say in the paper, you can stand on one leg, you can do a handstand for all I care, but please don't stand on the chairs. Everything but that, because it's dangerous for you and it's very disrespectful to everybody else that might want to sit. And I saw a few of you standing, so please don't do that because you might break your neck. That would be horrible, and then also someone might start farting with you blocking their view. But please do stand up, it's wonderful. I know I have a lot of sad, slow songs, but you can find a bit of rhythm in them, you can sort of sway a little bit, things like that. But are you ready to go on an emotional journey with me tonight? I'm going to drag you head first through all of your own dirt, but I'm going to make you laugh while we do it. And like I said a minute ago, I've been very emotional all day. I'm not sure why. Maybe I'm ovulating, who knows? But when I'm emotional, my shows are always better. It's better for me to be emotional or get cheery and things like that, because I can access the true meaning of the songs and things like that. But we obviously have a lot of piano ballads, but we do have an occasional up-tempo, but I'm going to give you a piano ballad now, but let me just put my drink down.
و منی که اینجا شکار فیلم مامان شدم. بچه ها، ادل توی این 10 تا شبی که کنسرت داشته، تو هر کدومی که از کنسرتاش 2 نفر رو خودش انتخاب میکرده، میآورده بالا پیش خودش و سورپرایزش میکرده. حالا این که چه جوری سورپرایز میکرده رو میذارم خودتون در ادامه ویدیو ببینی.
Look at you, don't you look lovely? Don't you look lovely, lovely, lovely? Okay, let's have a look at you, let's have a look at you. You in the stripy black and white shirt. Yes you, yes, come on up. Come on up. He's got a black and white stripy shirt on, can you help him over? Here he comes. Oh, you're looking very chic. Come on over there, they'll help you over. Come up on stage. It's a bit of time, sorry darling. I couldn't do it, well done. Okay. Hello, hi. What's your name? Jeff. Hi, there he is. Who are you here with? Because there was a few of you. Let's go over here so we can see your friends a bit better. Where have your friends gone? There they are. Okay, come on, Jeff. Here, let's stand up here so we don't wobble. Jeff, who are you here with? Who's down there? Who are your friends?
Ben.
What are their names?
Junior, Hugo and Rodrigo.
Guys, well, let's get a nice picture of... Let's do a selfie. And then turn around and get a crowd. Everyone put your arms up. And then where have they gone? Get a picture of us. Let's pose. Right, take a picture, husband. I love this sweater. Where is this from? I love this. Where is this from? Oh, look at you giving me plans. I'm going to Galway to go and see all my Brazilian fans. I'm going to Primark to go and get a sweater.
بچه ها، ادل اینجا داره میره به سمت اون اسلحه‌ای که گلوله هاش از جنس تیشرت هستن و اونا رو که از قبل خودش امضا کرده بوده میخواد به سمت تماشاچیا شلیک بکنه.
I like to shoot t-shirt guns out to my audience. This originated when I first started doing big shows of this size. I was like, how can I feel a bit more connected to the people that I can't see? And kind of that I can't kind of hear as well. And because I was playing big sporting rooms like stadiums, cricket grounds, football grounds, soccer, whatever you guys call it here. Oh my God, there is a grasshopper on my stage. I decided to become my own, sports mascot, basically. And for these shows, I was like, I need something bigger, something better. And so they built me this. It doesn't shoot quite as far as it looks like it would, but it does still go far. My aim was to reach the stands, but it doesn't, unfortunately. But I will always try my hardest. So inside of these, there's 3 of them. There's one over here, there's one in the middle, and there's one round that side of the circle. Our signed t-shirts, signed, show t-shirts. I signed them all. And just before I start shooting it, I want to let you know it's very, very loud, okay? So please don't be alarmed. If you suddenly hear a gigantic booming sound, it is me and it is my fun t-shirt gun, so please don't be scared, okay? Okay, are you ready over here? I'm going to start. That one was a bit shit. Can someone grab it and shoot that throw into the crowd? Oh, that was a good one. There we go. Oh, on your red, Let's go. How many have I got left? 2, okay. Oh, that was also a good one. Woo! There we go. Oh, back to nobody. Can security grab that off of the stage and throw it to somebody, please? It's gone by the big, by the big pillar, by the scroll on the stage. Okay, right, I've got one last one. Don't fight, and if there's a child near you, give it to the child. Oh, thank you, Liz. I am parched. I've also got full body Spanx on tonight because last night I nearly showed off my knickers because the fans blew my dress up. Okay, over here, right in the corner in the stands. Block D1, row 18. Row 18. D1, I can't hear you, make some noise. I know you're a small block, I know that. Block D1, row 18, seat number 6. Oh, here we go. Seat number 6. Who's in seat number 6? Show us. Wave. Oh, she's shy. Oh, don't be shy, you're fucking beautiful. Look at you. Right, my darling girl, underneath your seat, underneath your chair, is a letter, a handwritten letter from me, and 50 euros to buy yourself a treat. Can you get it? It's underneath your chair. It's like in a plastic sort of covering. Have you got it? Show it to us. Show it to us. Put it in the air. Just an envelope. Just the envelope, not you. Can you wave us the letter once you open it? There she is. She's got it.
واو، و اینم سورپرایزی که ادل کرد. خانم ادل زیر صندلی اون کسی که اونجا نشسته بود یه نامه‌ای رو امضا کرده بود به علاوه 50 یورو هدیه از طرف خودش. خب بچه ها، اینجا شاهد آخرین لحظات از کنسرت ادل هستیم و این آتیش بازی. واقعا ادل امشب صحنه رو با آتیش کشید. و اینم جمعیتی که دارن میرن بیرون. خیلی عالی بود، خیلی خوش گذشت. امیدوارم که شما هم لذتشو برده باشین. به دلیل تعداد بسیار زیادی از تماشاچیانی که توی این کنسرت شرکت کردن، 80,000 نفر بودن، پلیس گروه میکرد مردم رو که ازدحام و مشکلی پیش نیاد. امیدوارم که بهتون خوش گذشته باشه. ویدیوهای من رو حتما ببینین، کلی براتون برنامه جذاب دارم.